대규모의 공연이 진행 중인 헝가리의 부다페스트. 이곳에 뒷세계를 주름잡는 한 조직의 보스가 나타나는데, 그리고 이를 지켜보는 오늘의 주인공 조. 그는 세계에서도 최고로 손꼽히는 전설의 킬러였습니다.
Joseph, I meant to remind you.
Well, at least the carpet's red.
Сколько по ней не заплатили?
Вот и игры.
그런데 그는 갑자기 극심한 두통을 느꼈고, 뒤늦게 그의 부하들이 이 상황을 알아차렸습니다.
Come on, let's get out of here. Are you okay?
Hey, what's your name?
Joe.
Are you okay? Hey, do you have water, please?
하지만 조는 그새 사라져버렸습니다. 돌아와 보니 실수로 댄서의 핸드폰을 챙긴 조. 두통이 심했던 그는 다음날 병원에 검사를 받으러 갔습니다.
Okay, there's nothing here to indicate any tumors. It's one hell of a resume you got there. You know, in all the years, Joe, how many hits to the head do you think you've taken?
Yeah, I guess I've had my bell rung a few times.
It might be time to reevaluate your lifestyle, Sergeant Flood. I'll run some more tests.
이어 자신의 브로커 지비를 만나러 왔고,
Doctors. What do doctors know?
I know. Sometimes I ask myself, the hell do I do? What will they say about me when someone takes me off?
Judgment to God. You need a vacation. Get some sun. Meet a nice girl.
지비는 생각이 많아 보이는 조에게 휴가를 주죠.
Give me a sign. Show me where to look.
조는 휴대폰을 돌려주기 위해 댄서를 찾아왔고,
Belongs to one of your dancers.
Hi.
Hey.
Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, you really are a lifesaver.
First time I've heard that.
Can I buy you dinner? You know, just as a, I'll just give you my number. So call me
Maze.
Macy.
Macy.
Pourquoi?
그렇게 메이시에게 데이트 요청을 받게 되었죠.
Sup, girl? No. Love to. Send. Where do you put it all?
6 shows a week. I cannot do that on celery and rice cakes.
How did you end up here?
Work.
What do you do now?
Retirement planning.
Boxers are like boxers. Father Time remains undefeated.
I was thinking when I retire, I could start a dance school for kids like me. Well, if that doesn't work out, I can always become a cat burglar. Did you just laugh?
No.
메이시의 통통 튀는 매력은 조의 마음도 움직였고, 행복한 일상이 이어졌지만 아직 킬러임을 밝히지 못한 조.
She's a dancer.
You got a name?
Yeah, her name's Maisie.
Maisie. Are you serious about it?
Yeah, serious enough to get out of the game before she finds me.
You play by the rules. Kids, no innocent bystanders. We can make it happen.
Then I'm out.
지비는 흔쾌히 조의 은퇴를 도와주겠다 말했고,
And, got a favor to ask. I told her I'd invite friends. I thought you and Sharon might want to...
Chaim.
Okay.
Des amis.
얼마 후 메이시와 지비 모두 함께하는 자리가 생겼죠. 그런데 그의 두통은 여전히 지속되고 있었고,
I've known Joseph for 20 years. He's crazy about you. Need to be a chef in his kitchen. A freak in his bed.
It makes her happy. Look.
Really, really bad. Let him pop it in the tray.
I miss.
Darren was just giving me some very insightful.
I surrender. If you're getting serious with Maisie, tell her what you do. Play it by the rules. Women who respect integrity.
고민할 틈도 없이 병원의 검사 결과가 나왔는데,
I'm afraid I've got some bad news, Joe. It's a neurodegenerative disorder. It means rapid motor neuron disintegration, blindness, and diminished mental capacity. Tested by 3 separate labs, and I got the same result.
Okay.
There is no cure.
How long do I have?
Best case, 3 months. Things we can do to make it easier. On my end, Joe, I'm really sorry.
Speech impairments, voluntary movement, shaking hands.
이제야 삶의 의미를 찾은 조에게 너무나도 절망적인 소식이었고, 그는 그는 정해진 운명에 남은 생을 메이 씨를 위해 쓰기로 합니다.
I need someone retired. Need a nice clean job.
What?
Me. I'm the target. I got a disease. Now I'm getting the shakes. A little over $500,000 in mixed currency and gold coins. It all goes to Maisie through the life insurance. Life insurance won't pay out for a suicide. You too, Sue.
No,
I've lived by the sword.
you fight for your life.
Svi, I'm asking you for your help.
What I've decided. Fucking Earth, I'm ordering a hit on you.
조를 너무나도 아꼈던 지비는 그의 제안을 거절했고
Thank you.
결국 조는 또 다른 전문가를 찾아가게 되죠.
What brings Joe Flood to my door?
I need a contract executed.
그녀의 이름은 앙투아네트, 업계의 또 다른 큰손이었고
Who do you want retired?
Me.
2 million?
I want it done clean. Who are you thinking of?
But they'll be the very best. Thought about doing this for a year. I kill you and get paid.
Give me till 2,400 hours.
이번 의뢰는 성공적으로 승낙되었죠.
Who's available in the assassin app?
$2 million for Joe Flood.
Ooh, love doll.
러브달이 거절하자 그녀는 한국 킬러들과 헝가리 킬러들을 고용합니다.
That's real money.
What's going on? I'm tired.
I have to leave town for a few weeks. I'm not sure I'm coming back.
What does that mean? You're talking crazy. Break means breaking up, Joe.
It's over, Maisie.
What? Why?
I'm sorry.
Remember me this way. When you're on your deathbed, remember what you throw away.
I will.
그렇게 메이 씨에게 이별을 고했고
부타페스트 졸라 이쁘다.
어느새 킬러들은 그가 있는 곳으로 몰려들기 시작했습니다.
Maisie, by the time you get this, I'll be gone. I want you to know that I'm speaking the truth. I can't even say it, Maisie. I've got a brain disorder. It's you I've been looking for my entire life.
그런데 잠시 후 충격적인 진실이 밝혀지는데
Oh, Flood, thank God. There's been a mistake. They switched labels with another patient. I think you should consider a lawsuit against the lab. You're not going to die.
Give me till 2,400 hours. I'm gonna have to call you back.
사실 그는 죽을 병이 아니었지만 이미 킬러들은 예고한 시간이 지나 그를 잡으러 도착해버렸죠.
왜 이렇게 어두워?
선글라스를 벗어라.
조심해. 플라드!
Go Young. This was a mistake.
Fuck you!
상황을 설명했음에도 한국 킬러들은 멈출 생각이 없었죠.
개새끼가! 아이 깜짝이야!
You should have walked. Joga, Go Young.
여보세요, 고야.
Sorry, Korean's a little rusty, but keep the 2 mil. Yeah, I'm the client, and I'm telling you to cancel.
하지만 평소 조에게 원한이 있던 앙투아네트는 이번 기회에 그를 처리하려 했고
I'm calling in every hit on Europe, you hear me?
Well, you tell them to pack light. They won't fucking be staying long. Maisie, I'm in trouble. You go wherever you want. Just get out of Budapest.
이어 헝가리의 킬러들이 공격해 왔죠.
I know how it works.
I'm going to expand the field of vendors. Double Supreme. I want Joe Flood dead.
그녀는 현상금을 2배로 올렸고
Fucking $1,000,000 motherfucking dollars.
The content is a touch.
Joey Flood. $4 million. $4 million.
Another delivery in Budapest. This party is dead.
이봐서 지금.
Been expecting you. You weren't followed.
No.
수많은 S급 킬러들이 몰려들 것을 알기에 조 또한 어느 정도 대비가 필요했고
You on the news. 5 dead Koreans.
The doctor's fucked up. I'm gonna live.
You kill Antoinette, that's a violation.
I'm gonna bring them all into one place and take them all out. And I'm gonna need a gun.
Well, I don't have one here.
You don't have anything? Explosives? That's it? Well, if we're gonna bring them all to me, we gotta be slick.
The brother is intractable.
Flood has a girlfriend. Make sure he doesn't leave Budapest alive. Your driver, he's my cousin. He's a bit green. I'd appreciate it.
Yo, you my man, a love dog.
Do not be Queen Bitch's cousin. Take my shit and let's go.
You want me to take your bag? Hey, long journey, bro. You relax, man.
Sharon. You've paralyzed the poor man.
Oh my god. I can see clearly. Dan! You're a saint!
샤론 덕분에 조는 완전한 컨디션을 되찾을 수 있었고
I thought I told you to turn that shit off.
I'm stone cold, motherfucker. Me and you, yeah, could be like the new dynamic duo.
Up, will you? Just a minute, please. You done good, good, Flood.
조의 음성을 확인한 메이 씨는 재빨리 짐을 싸는데
Hey now, baby girl.
러브달이 한 발 더 빠르게 움직였죠.
Some old castle on the mountain road between here and Prague.
Notify the hitters and call up your mercenary, but he can't fight an army too.
Location update. Schittsburger Castle.
Your plan worked. Antoinette posted a change of location.
조는 계획대로 킬러들을 한 장소로 모았고 조는 이곳에서 모든 것을 끝낼 준비를 했죠.
Sweetheart, what you really know about Flood? Most prolific professional hitman in
Then you better hope he doesn't find you.
가장 먼저 도착한 자들은 맥켄지 형제였고
Now let's not get into any bollocks, Charlotte Fodder. Here we fucking go. Fucking. Daddy's home!
What's the matter? Things slow at the pub?
Hey! Neighbor kick, brother!
Looks like the party's already started.
Jesus, what'd you kick me for? You still like it? Be alright, Ronnie, it's just a scratch.
Hey, Flood! I heard you're looking for a good time. Bloody hell!
한숨 돌릴 틈도 없이 바로 보타스가 나타났고
Por favor.
She got lottie-dottie everybody. You stay here in the rear. Don't let her get away from you.
Drama, man.
No mas botas. Maisie?
Sorry, wish it were.
Where's Maisie?
I don't want to. All I want to do is collect.
Me for her.
That's the real. Looks like you got some more guests arriving.
I might kill the fucking doctor too.
이어 도착한 자들은 앙투아네트의 조직원들이었고
Go in through the front and flush him out. Yes, sir.
이곳에서 수많은 적들을 상대해야 했죠.
Go.
Hey, my legs are asleep.
So?
Let me walk around a minute.
You're not gonna run. Not gonna go anywhere. You're just gonna chill. Hit the stool. Jump out the fucking car then. Yeah, all right. Take one hand.
조는 무사히 밖으로 나오는 데 성공했는데
Not disappoint.
Where's Maisie? Me for her. That's the deal.
I'm gonna call my associate and have her brought down.
그런데
Get in the car!
How the hell tell the bitch get your car.
I let her out the car just for like a minute, and then just want to say that I don't really think I'm cut out for.
Do you think I killed him?
I hope so.
존은 그간의 사연을 메이시에게 설명했고
I thought I was dying.
What?
Maisie, I'm a hitman.
You killed people?
We don't kill civilians, just criminals.
I'm pregnant, Joe. I tried to tell you the other night, but you broke up. Love me, and the rest we'll figure out as we go, okay?
Hey, Maisie.
그런데 메이시는 도주 중 총알에 맞은 상태였고
Shit. You call him.
그는 근처에 있는 어느 성당으로 향합니다.
Maisie. Perhaps I can be of some assistance.
그런데 그 순간 메이시가 정신을 차렸고
I was gonna lose you.
You're gonna have to try harder than that.
Will you marry me? Yeah. Father, will you marry us?
그렇게 둘은 갑자기 결혼식을 올리게 되죠.
On one condition. You must give confession.
There was a chief of a Corsican crime syndicate, a Romanian arms dealer, that was hand-to-hand, a Russian oligarch in Vienna. Then last night there was an entire Gullion crew.
I'm qualified to pardon all of this.
Ask for a confession.
My mouth's shut if we're both being honest here. Ego te absolvo, I absolve you. I don't suppose you have a ring, do you?
Well, let's do.
As long as the grenade is far away. For as long as you shall live.
I do.
I don't know about obey.
Maisie. Shit!
그 순간 조를 쫓던 자들이 이곳까지 쫓아왔고
Joe.
I gotta finish this.
Come on! This is what you wanted, isn't it? Fly! Think there's a happily ever after? Guys like us kill that bitch too.
Unlucky. Or you go out on your
위기의 순간에 메이시가 조를 구하는 데 성공합니다.
Fuck this.
No better than to run.
Your boy hasn't left me any choice.
Just like your father, you broke the rules. Don't hate the player.
Funds for the church renovation. Much appreciated, Joe.
얼떨결에 모든 킬러의 표적이 되어버린 최강 킬러의 이야기.
Congratulations.
영화 더 킬러스 게임이었습니다. 아프리카 튀니지에서 작전을 수행 중인 독일의 군인들, 히틀러와 나치가 저지른 잔혹한 만행은 같은 독일인들도 지치게 만들었고 장교들 사이에서도 이에 대한 반감이 커지고 있었습니다.
Is no longer to save my country, but to save human lives.
슈타우펜 베르크 대령 또한 히틀러에게 큰 반감을 가지고 있었고
A change must be made.
You know we should have left 2 days ago. No, Colonel. You're going to need these men a year from now to defend Berlin.
현재 이곳은 전세가 기울었지만 상부의 무리한 명령으로 남은 병사들마저 희생될 위험에 처해 있었죠.
The records will show we didn't have enough water to reach city. See that it's done.
겨우 후퇴를 허락받았지만 갑자기 적군의 기습이 시작되었고 슈타우펜 베르크는 빠르게 탈출을 시도해 보는데 결국 그는 이곳에서 큰 부상을 입고 말았습니다. 그리고 여기 히틀러를 기다리고 있는 독일 참모진들, 그런데 이 중에 트레스코프 장군은 전부터 히틀러를 암살할 기회를 노리고 있는 반나치 세력의 핵심 인물이었고 하지만 히틀러는 평소 철저한 경비와 보안으로 쉽게 기회가 오지 않았는데 오늘은 마침내 암살을 감행하기에 적절한 날이었습니다. 잠시 후 회의가 끝나고 이들은 술병 안에 폭탄을 넣어 히틀러의 전용기에 보낼 생각이었습니다. 그리고 잠시 후 작전이 성공했는지 연락만을 기다리고 있는 두 사람. 하지만 작전은 실패로 돌아갔고 이제는 증거를 없애지 않으면 이들의 목숨이 위험해졌죠.
Seems you have the wrong bottles for colonels. You still have the pack. I can be at your office first thing tomorrow morning to pick.
Do you think he knows? Well, there's only one way to find out.
다음날 트레스코프는 베를린 육군 총사령부로 향했고
General Tresco to see Colonel Bratt.
The colonel's expecting you, sir.
You'll forgive me, General. The roundup is having writing reports. Another plot against the Fuhrer.
Who are these people?
This, what you've come for. Perhaps we should open it.
I beg your pardon. Fuhrer, who does not partake, would feel about a soldier who...
I took you for an unsought, General.
We're still in the business.
다행히 이번 암살 작전을 들키지 않았습니다. 한편 슈타우펜베르크는 큰 부상을 입어 입원하게 되었고
Johannes von Stauffenberg. He
The right hand has been amputated above the wrist. Couldn't save the left eye.
결국 이번 사고로 오른손, 왼쪽 손가락 2개, 눈까지 잃어버리고 말았습니다. 얼마 후 그는 정신을 차릴 수 있었고 이번 전쟁에 참여한 군인들에게 훈장을 나눠주지만 사실 이들 모두 육체적으로나 정신적으로 상처투성이었습니다. 잠시 후 올브리히트 장군이 그를 찾아왔고
I'm a soldier. I serve my country. But this is not my country. In doing so, I'll be a traitor.
마찬가지로 반나치 사상을 가지고 있었던 올브리히트는 협력을 제안합니다.
That's why we want you. Come and hear what they have to say. You know where to find us.
If you had your chance, you failed. Any military exercise, you have to expect a certain measure of...
이곳엔 수많은 반나치 인물들이 있었고 이들은 히틀러 제거에만 집중하고 있었는데
We must confront Hitler now. Force him out.
And then what? When Hitler is gone, then what?
슈타우펜베르크는 히틀러의 죽음 이후 상황까지 고려해야 한다 말합니다.
If you could just walk into the right chancellery and command the army there. An oath that won't just die. There has to be a chance of success. Then find a way.
오랜만에 집에 돌아온 슈타우펜베르크. 그는 자녀들을 생각해서라도 독일의 변화가 필요하다 느꼈습니다. 순간 사이렌이 울리고 가족들은 지하로 피신했는데 거실에서는 발키리의 기행이라는 노래가 흘러나왔고 그는 발키리 작전을 떠올리게 됩니다. 발키리 작전이란 비상사태가 일어날 경우 예비군을 소집해 히틀러를 지키고 계엄령을 선포하는 것이었는데
Valkyrie is designed to contain civil. But what if the SS was staging a state security is trying to overthrow Hitler?
Declare a military state of emergency.
We'll have no choice but to seize power in Berlin.
We quietly put a new government.
How else are you going to convince people the SS are trying to seize power?
We have to kill Hitler.
그런데 이번 작전의 성공을 위해선 히틀러의 암살을 포함한 몇 가지 조건이 필요했죠.
Rewriting an order is one thing. Evidence requiring Hitler's signature. And what about Fromm?
From? Who is from?
프롬은 예비군 사령관으로 발키리 작전의 개시 권한을 가지고 있었고
We're running out of time. Can you get to Fromm?
Offer him a key position in the new regime. Make him see the light. Colonel Stauffenberg for General Fromm.
곧바로 프롬을 만나러 온 슈타우펜베르크.
I wanted to introduce our new man, Colonel Stauffenberg.
You my hand, but I might not get it back.
The general's lost more important things this morning.
It's about time they put somebody with balls in.
출세욕이 강한 프롬에게 새 정부의 높은 직위로 설득하는데
Supreme Commander.
Second, only to the chancellor.
솔깃한 제안이었으나 히틀러가 살아있는 한 쉽지 않은 작전이기에 그는 아직은 조심스러운 스탠스를 취하죠.
That I always come down on the right side.
이어 또 다른 포섭 대상이 있었는데 바로 육군 통신장군 펠기베리였습니다.
You realize how close I am to Hitler.
I think that makes me a sympathizer.
Without you, there is no hope of success. Action is inevitable, as are the consequences. You were involved in a crime against your country long before you met.
겨우 설득에 성공했고 이어 작전 성공을 위해 발키리 작전의 수정안을 작성하죠.
As written, the order spreads reserve troops across all of Germany's 19. Since all of these districts follow orders from Berlin without question, direct the majority of our strongest units to focus entirely.
I've been transferred to the front. Why putting you in charge of the military wing of the operation? It is not enough to kill Hitler.
I've looked through your changes to Valkyrie. I'll need you to get Hitler to sign.
수정안을 통과시키기 위해 히틀러의 서명을 받아야 했고 직접 히틀러의 서명을 받으러 온 슈타우펜베르크.
May I present Colonel Stauffenberg, our new chief of staff?
To meet an officer who has sacrificed so much for you. Let this man stand as an example to all.
I have an amended copy of Operation Valkyrie for your...
작전 성공을 위해서는 반드시 수정안이 통과되어야 하는 상황.
Ensure whatever changes you've made are for the best.
이렇게 필요 조건들이 하나씩 갖춰지기 시작했고
Any problem on Earth can be solved. Careful application of high explosive. W. Enough explosive to cripple a panzer. Attach the detonator to the bottom of the time pencil. Crush the acid capsule.
이들이 히틀러 암살을 시도할 곳은 바로 늑대굴이었고 그곳에 폭탄을 터뜨릴 계획이었습니다.
Steel door, no windows. Air pressure generated by just one of these.
예비용 폭탄까지 준비하며 철저하게 계획을 세웠고
We have an inside man, dual sled, communication with the outside.
Proceed unless you're confident you can get both Himmler and...
I'll take the children to Bamberg.
If I fail, he'll come for you.
I know.
드디어 작전을 실행할 날이 되었죠.
Stauffenberg will start once everyone is present. After the flash, his inside man will sever all communication. Notify all district commanders that the SS is attempting to seize. Stauffenberg will have returned to Berlin and taken command of the reserve. Dr. Girdler will address the nation as our new chancellor. This is the most important day of your lives. Long live sacred Germany.
Order from General Lebricht's office. The Reserve Army. Some sort of looks like a drill of some kind. Send it to reserve.
훈련을 핑계로 예비군을 미리 동원시켰고
Stand by action. What the hell for? The order doesn't say.
이렇게 작전이 성공할 경우를 대비해 일단 예비군이 동원되었으나
What do you suppose this is really all about?
예비군을 이끄는 장군들조차 현 상황을 모르고 있었죠. 오늘의 작전이 시행될 늑대굴. 회의가 진행될 벙커에 들어왔고 히틀러 또한 모습을 드러냈습니다.
For the reallocation of troops from the reserve army.
그런데 예상치 못한 문제가 발생하는데
Transfer of 3 divisions.
작전 실행 여부를 체크해야 했죠.
Direct me to the War Ministry. I'm ready to arm. Permission to proceed.
Hold the line. Call back. Himmler's not at the briefing.
No.
They say no.
What do you say? I say do it.
그런데 생각보다 너무 빨리 회의가 끝나버렸고
Colonel, your bag.
이번 작전은 시도조차 하지 못하고 실패로 돌아갔습니다.
This has been a drill?
How dare you put the reserve army on standby without my knowledge?
It's only a drill, an exercise.
Oh, don't lie! Not only have you proved to me you can't deliver, you've painted a target.
이번 사태로 프롬에게 반감을 사게 되었고
Heil Hitler.
Heil Hitler.
I'll hear you say it, Colonel.
Heil Hitler!
슈타우펜베르크는 작전의 결정 권한이 정치인들에게 있음이 문제라 생각했고
It's a military operation in the hands of a politician. My only regret is that I waited for you to find your back.
No more indecision. Now on Stauffenberg has full discretion.
이제는 그가 모든 권한을 가지고 다시 한번 작전을 준비합니다. 얼마 후 또다시 회의가 열리게 되었고
Welcome, Colonel.
Do you have a place where I could change, Major?
폭탄을 제조할 시간을 확보합니다. 그리고 작전 감행을 통신장군 펠기벨에게도 알리죠.
Excuse me, General. I'm expecting an important call. Could you please have someone come? Two for the walk, one for the checkpoint.
It's me, Colonel.
The Colonel is changing. You understand this can be difficult.
결국 시간이 부족해 폭탄을 하나밖에 제조하지 못했고
I have everything I need. Get the car.
I can manage this.
The briefing has been moved to the conference hut.
예상치 못하게 장소가 바뀌었지만 작전은 그대로 실행될 예정이었고
Major, my injuries have left me hard. Could you place me as close to the Fuhrer as
But they're
possible?
coming down on the northern and the southern front.
조금이라도 히틀러와 가까운 위치로 폭탄으로 옮기는 슈타우펜베르크
14th division has been pushed out of Livorno.
이미 폭탄의 카운트는 시작되었고 이젠 그를 이곳에서 빼내줄 연락을 기다리고 있었습니다.
Polish border,
Conference hut.
as well as the Romanian. Unless we can quickly dispatch, you will be swallowed by the enemy.
다행히 늦지 않게 펠기벨의 연락이 왔고
Yes, General. This is Stauffenberg.
Führer. Is certain. The Red Army will... It will be...
Get in.
Drive.
Give me the War Ministry, General Albright. The call is urgent. Several communications.
Sir.
Just do it!
하지만 히틀러의 죽음이 확인되지 않은 상황.
Colonel Stauffenberg was explicit.
This is our own. I'm not doing anything until I hear from Pelgiebel.
그런데 올브리히트가 발키리 작전을 주저했고
When he gives me confirmation that Hitler is dead.
Where are you going?
The same place as you are.
결국 고민 끝에 메르츠 대령은 독단적으로 발키리 작전을 실행시키죠.
Another standby alert.
Sir, another standby order.
Assemble the men.
한편 베를린 공항에 도착한 슈타우펜베르크.
Quiet, isn't it?
올브리히트로 인해 작전이 지연된 사실을 이제야 알게 됩니다.
You mean to tell me the alert's only just gone out?
What's this?
No, but Hitler is not alive.
This is about Germany, for God's sake, not you!
This is Ulbricht.
It's been 3 hours. What the hell have you been doing? I saw the explosion myself! The second you hang up the phone, initiate Valkyrie in Fromm's office in 15 minutes. Be there when I arrive.
뒤늦게서야 올브리히트는 움직이기 시작했고
Put me through to communication. A group of radicals in the SS are attempting to seize me.
Have no orders? Pass them along.
Italian, attention! Our Führer, Adolf Hitler, is dead.
Yes, General Fromm for Field Marshal Keitel. Urgent? There's talk that the Führer has been assassinated.
Führer was never in danger. Where's your man, Stauffenberg? I know when he arrived. I'd like a word with him.
Führer's fine.
That is a lie.
This is true. The Führer is
I
alive.
delivered the bomb myself. I saw the blast.
The viewer under arrest.
No, General. You are.
I don't know where you think this is going.
This is Colonel Stauffenberg, SEAL off the War Ministry per Operation Val.
모든 상황이 긴급하게 돌아가고 있었죠.
Colonel Stauffenberg?
Yes. The chief has guaranteed the full support of the Berlin police.
경찰국장까지 합류하며 이젠 베를린을 장악해야 했죠.
Stauffenberg, sir. We are reporting for duty.
By nightfall, I want to know that Hitler's seen its last son. Yes, sir. All replacements have been authorized.
Commanding officer at the 11th district.
I need a decision, Major. Loyalty to the party isn't what it used to be. District 13 is ours.
You're under arrest for crimes against the state.
We're spoken to 413 Battalion. You'll have no trouble getting in. With all due respect, sir, you can't believe everything. It's SS propaganda. He's dead. We have control of the government quarter. We don't have Berlin yet.
한편 이러는 사이 히틀러가 있던 늑대굴에서도 명령이 전해지는데 슈타우펜베르크가 장악한 전쟁부와 다른 방향의 명령이 떨어지자 그 사이에 있던 자들은 어느 쪽의 말을 들어야 할지 고민하게 됩니다.
Send them both through. That will be all, Sergeant.
두 세력은 서로 다른 인물들을 체포하라 명령했고
New arrest orders, sir. For Stauffenberg and Goebbels.
I would hate to find out I'm being taken advantage. I can't say which side we are.
슈타우펜베르크가 반역자이기에 그를 체포하라는 명령과 히틀러의 최측근 괴벨스를 체포하라는 명령 두 개가 모두 전해진 상황. 예비군 장군은 괴벨스를 체포하기 위해 움직이는데
I'm ready to be connected.
As an order to blockade the government court, place you under arrest.
아무 말 없이 전화기를 건네는 괴벨스.
You recognize my voice. I want these traitors taken alive.
You heard what he said. The Führer wants the traitors taken.
히틀러가 살아있어 상황이 반전되기 시작합니다.
We can't afford to remain neutral any longer to make a decision.
게다가 이쪽 또한
Communications from the Wolf's Lair. Stop all communications from Stauffenberg.
Release this man!
We are the coup, you idiot. We've been duped.
무언가 잘못되어 가고 있음을 슈타우펜베르크도 알게 되고 그렇게 형세는 완전히 뒤바뀌어 버렸죠.
This operation has been terminated. Stand down.
Führer himself suffered no major injuries. Colonel Brandt and Adolf Hitler and the Almighty God has so visibly blessed.
슈타우펜베르크는 이 상황을 받아들일 수가 없었죠.
I'm sorry.
My family.
Our lines have been cut.
이제는 실패의 대가만이 이들을 기다리고 있었고
Colonel Stauffenberg, by orders of the Führer, you're under arrest.
이번 사건에 가담한 인물들 모두 체포되고 말았죠.
So that you can hear my voice and know that I am on set for a few bruises and burn. I was complete directing me to complete my work.
Look them in the eye.
Albrecht, ready!
Show the world that not all of us were like him.
Stauffenberg!
People know we put up principles.
Hey! You may hand us over to disgusted and harried people.
Long live sacred Germany!
히틀러 암살은 총 15번의 시도가 있었는데 발키리 작전이 그 마지막 시도이자 가장 성공에 근접한 작전이었습니다. 9개월 후 베를린은 연합군에게 포위되었고 히틀러는 자결하게 되죠. 슈타우펜베르크의 가족은 살아남았고 그의 아내는 2006년 세상을 떠납니다. 여기까지 영화 작전명 발키리였습니다.
Mother Nature finally unleashed her fury. That entire cities were wiped out within months, destroyed almost the entire planet. Pockets of respite on high ground allowed those few who survived. Two things essential for survival, air and water.
이어 세상은 생존에 필요한 정스텝과 은가루가 화폐가 되었고
It can delay eventual death by black lung.
사람들은 지구를 되바꾼 대재앙을 클라우드폴이라 불렀습니다.
Vehicles that burned fossil fuel were belchers.
차량을 타고 다니는 범죄자들을 잡기 위해 정부에서 현상금을 걸었고
And bounty hunters roamed the wasteland looking to claim those rewards.
현상금 사냥꾼으로 활동 중인 오늘의 주인공 게이지.
What's my mask? What are you doing? There are times I think you don't even like me.
Whoa, Womack, when did you get so sensitive? Where's Chavo?
Go witness some pilgrims down by the dock.
See you next time.
No. Gage, I'm gonna die out here.
산소 마스크 없이는 살아갈 수 없는 현재의 대기 상태.
Gage, I'm gonna die out here. Suck wind and die, Gage.
한편 이 여자가 게이지가 쫓고 있는 범죄자 차보였고
What do we got here? Look at how pretty you are.
We're on a pilgrimage. A bounty will be issued for your head.
Forgive me. Now, if the rest of you cooperate, you just might live to see another day. Silver. I want to grind this up and put it in my own personal air filter. Get the usual filters, water, tabs.
그 순간
Go to hell, Gage! I'm just trying to get by like everybody else.
Very attractive to a scumbag like me.
Listen, I'll let them all go if you give me a walk, Gage. You know I will. You hear me?
Loud and clear.
Thank you so much.
그런데 그 사이 차보는 밧줄을 풀고 있었고 둘의 육탄전이 이어집니다. 결국 차보를 쓰러뜨리는 데 성공했고 차보의 시신을 가지고 뉴 몬태나로 이동합니다.
Welcome to the two newest members of the community of New Montana. It's stating that there'll be no spike in toxin levels expected. One last thing, we've been getting reports of increased outlaw activity in this room. That's good. Okay, thank you. That's all. Meeting adjourned.
Gage, you can count it if you want.
There's only water tabs in here. Where's the powdered silver?
Yeah, the authority didn't send any.
300 tabs and 2 grams of silver for Chavo, and then doesn't send the silver?
You'll get what's owed. You got enough to get by.
What are you gonna do when all the Belchers have been retired?
I'll come looking for you.
What makes you so different than the bounties you drag in here?
I'm still above ground.
잠시 후 집으로 돌아왔는데
I taught you never to sit with your back to the door.
그녀의 스승과도 같은 존재 독이 찾아왔습니다.
I saw what was left of Chavo. Nice shooting.
My aim will never be as good as yours, Doc.
Seen the latest bulletin?
Tom Jackson, 5,000 tabs.
잭슨은 현재 최고의 현상금이 걸린 범죄자였고
He's consolidating. They took over a settlement. It's called Defiance Building. I can see the wheels turning. He leaves their bodies hanging from the gate as a warning. You know, I just forget I ever brought it up.
그날 밤 죽은 여동생의 꿈을 꾸는 게이지. 다음날 그녀는 잭슨을 잡기로 결심합니다.
Jackson's dug in. He wouldn't let a bounty hunter within 10 clicks at Defiance.
Who do I look like?
So that's your plan? Pretend to be Chavo?
This.
This is what most people ever see of you.
Maybe it can delay how long it takes you to get yourself killed.
Gage. Chavo.
게이지는 마스크로 얼굴을 가리고 다니는 점을 이용해 현상금 사냥꾼님을 숨긴 채 디파이언스에 접근할 계획이었죠.
Crazy as you are, it's good to have you around once in a while.
I'll be extra careful crossing the road.
Take this. Just even out the odds a little.
이어 한 술집에 들렸고
On the house.
뒤이어 수상해 보이는 두 남자가 등장하는데
Who's that? Chavo. You can tell by the hat.
Empty bottle, but you cannot chase them. And I say, but they never put me.
Don't you know it's rude to walk out on someone in the middle of, especially when that someone is my lady?
Such an impact on your fragile ego.
My name is Thomas Jackson. This is my town.
이 남자가 게이지가 찾던 톰 잭슨이었고
Simply join me for a nice civil chat.
All right, let's hear what you have to say, Mr. Jensen.
That's Jackson. Are you a gambler, Miss Chavo?
300 tabs enough?
Have a seat, Mr. Lear. This'll take a moment. Brings you to our little metropolis.
I heard bounty hunters weren't welcome.
People have to earn their place here.
세력을 넓혀가던 잭슨은 차보라는 네임드 인물에게도 관심을 가졌고
I'm very aware of your exploits, Miss Chavo. There are not a lot of people to go around these days. I have big plans for Defiance and anyone who comes here to work for me.
All in.
That's how you want to play it.
What are the odds?
I could really use someone like you.
Like I said, just passing.
As you can see, Mr. Lear, I'm a little busy. See this? Anything Miss Chavo wants is on the house. This way, man.
한편 뉴 몬테나 마을 회의에서도 잭슨에 대한 언급이 나왔고
It is only a matter of time before he ends up here. I need volunteers to come with me to take him in. I hear there's a heavy reward. Bringing these men to justice. Who's in? Good. Grab whatever gear you need.
다음날 게이지는 잭슨의 여자 멜레나가 혼자 있는 걸 발견하게 됩니다.
Still good to have some kind of a respirator with you. You've got a lovely singing voice. Where are you from?
The old Arizona.
I spent some time there when I was younger. She was a lot like you. Musical. She doesn't play anything anymore.
Sorry.
What about you?
Jackson found us there. Took me with him.
사실 멜레나는 잭슨에게 심한 폭행을 당하고 있는 듯 보였고
Everyone I ever knew or loved was killed by Jackson's men. Even if I wanted to leave, he wouldn't let me.
So, what's your strategy? You're walking these men into a death trap. You know that, right? Jackson's men are ruthless killers. Don't let your ego get in the way of common sense. Exactly what I'm doing. Fine line between ignorance and arrogance.
I'm just always being treated like I'm your property.
You seem to have forgotten who's keeping you alive.
Chavo, it's Z. Remember me?
Yeah, sure I do. Good to see you.
순간 차보의 얼굴을 아는 한 남자가 달라붙었고
Hey, hold up. Not Chavo.
You definitely got her attitude. But that look in your eye tells me that it would be dangerous for you. I keep my mouth shut and you keep yours open.
Not here. Please.
Give it to me.
그때 마을 사람들의 기습도 시작되었죠. 하지만 당연히 잭슨의 상대가 되지는 못했고
Wait. Ruthless.
Been after me for years. Keeps sending second-rate bounty hunters after me.
그날 밤 게이지는 잭슨의 사무실을 몰래 잠입할 계획을 하죠. 몰래 들어오는데 성공했고 그때 기척을 느낀 잭슨의 부하들이 나타나는데 들키지 않고 탈출합니다. 그런데 돌아오자 잭슨의 부하 리어가 있었고
You don't have me fooled. What happened with Z? Well, how'd he get it?
Shot in the back.
He said cause of death was knife to the heart. How the fuck does he end up getting knifed in a gunfight? You're lying. Or whoever the hell you are.
He was raping me.
What?
You see, Mr. Lear, I told you there'd be a reasonable explanation.
Sleep well, Miss Chavo. Did you have a little trouble sleeping last night?
You had one eye on the door all night. I'm gonna start thinking you're sweet on me.
What did you think was gonna happen?
그때 그때 한 남자가 나타났고
Your boys have been stealing water from the spring at Valley Gorge. Tell your piss ants to stay away from my gorge.
It's none of my business, but you're coming across.
Thank you, Miss Chavo. But the man is right. I do need to deal with this.
Stay right there. I mean it.
I promise that my men will stay away from your land from...
Okay. Deal.
No. I appreciate the backup.
잭슨은 마을 근처에 있는 은폐강을 접수할 계획이었고 이번 작전을 위해 게이지에게 협업을 제안합니다.
Have a seat. There are some open silver mines. But it's backbreaking work. I need all my people to be fresh. We managed to round up a few warm bodies from some smaller settlements, but one of your considerable talents could prove very useful to us.
Well, I'm flattered, but I'm not sticking around that long.
5%.
20.
Would you accept 10?
But I'd do it for 15.
Oh, this is exciting.
그런데
A toast to new friends.
과거 여동생을 살해한 자가 잭슨임을 알게 되었죠.
Hi. You wanted to see me?
And you need to get as far away from this place as you
I
possibly
wanted to give it to you. The only person here who doesn't treat me like I'm someone else's.
Jackson says it's time to go.
I have to go.
곧바로 작전이 시작되었고
No!
Well, obviously we need to take the turret out.
Where is she?
I took care of that.
Round him up!
그렇게 은광산을 접수하는 데 성공한 잭슨.
You did good.
Yeah, well, I have a vested interest now.
This is just the beginning to recharge their filters.
We will rule this territory.
그리고 이날 밤 게이지는 자신의 진짜 임무를 시작합니다.
You need to get out of town tonight.
Why?
I'm here to take him in. If I didn't have to drag your sorry carcass all the way across the territory.
Bounty hunter. So where's Chavo then? I really thought we understood each other.
Well, then you're a bigger fool than your sidekick.
Join me, 50-50 partners. What do you say?
The thing is, this isn't about the bounty. It's personal.
게이지는 잭슨을 데리고 조용히 마을을 빠져나가려 하지만
I knew there was something off about you.
계속 그녀를 경계하고 있던 리어에게 당해버리고 말았죠.
How did you know?
Remember me?
Womack.
Untie me, sweetheart. What is with all the hatred?
You killed my sister.
How do you know it was me?
That scar on your arm?
Oh, I get it now. If you wouldn't mind, Mr. Jackson, I know exactly what to do with her. And make sure she's dead.
You won't have to worry about that. You ready for a little road trip, Gage?
그런데 차량의 연료가 다해버렸고
Damn it!
You know it was never personal, Womack. All right, listen. We can make a deal.
And I'm not intrigued, okay? You're about to die, and I've got the black lung thanks to you.
Wait a second.
Second thought, Gage. This is where I drop you off. Slight change of plans, Gage. You're gonna love this.
Wait, Womack! Think about it!
Get it all up. Keep it coming up.
독은 그녀를 지극정성으로 치료해 주었고 덕분에 며칠 후 그녀는 정신을 차릴 수가 있었습니다.
Am I dead?
Not anymore. They did quite a number on you. Get some rest, okay?
Thanks.
You're not going soft, are you?
I wasn't sure I was going to see another one of
My
these.
dad used to say the sunsets weren't near so pretty before the cloud.
I really thought I could bring him in alive.
They probably think you're dead. They won't be gunning for you.
He killed Beatrice. Besides, He's coming here next. He'll be running this territory in no time.
결국 독도 그녀에게 협력하기로 했고 시간이 흘러 게이지는 컨디션을 회복하며 준비를 마쳤습니다.
So 12. All we need now is the element of surprise. I think someone from here has misplaced this. Figured I'd return it. Wait here. What the hell is this? Where'd you say you found this? On the edge of the wasteland? I thought you said you finished her. There's no way she survived.
게이지의 갑작스러운 기습에 적들도 당황했고
How did you? 5 more. Go!
그녀를 구해준 자는 바로 멜레나였죠.
Point this in the direction of New Montana.
3. 1.
0. I'm going after Jackson. I know where to find him.
Can't go holding grudges in this world. I can see that your mind is made up.
이어 게이지는 독이 졌던 다이너마이트를 꺼내 들었고 동생의 복수에 성공합니다. 그렇게 독과 함께 돌아가는 모습을 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다.